Just give it a twist and we're gone. There is no hesitating in this bike. Brilliant, I love it. Hello there YouTube. You will have seen from the thumbnail we are on today the 790 Duke, the scalpel, and I can tell already I've only just set off. I absolutely love this thing. What a completely different ride this is from the 1300 GS I've just done. I know it's like comparing apples to oranges, but wow, this thing is brilliant, and I've only just set off. Quick shifter, buttery smooth. Seating position is obviously in a sporty position. Your knees are tucked up in this, but see, look at that straight. Oh, look at the grunt. I love it. You can probably tell by my reaction to this bike how much more I like it from the 1300 GS. If you watched that previous video, this thing is just it's night and day different. Sat in traffic, I can stand up, fully flat foot this. I don't know how tall it is, but it's not a big bike. Knees are tucked up in a sporty position, length slightly forward, but nothing bad. Definitely no weight on your wrists anyway. It is a naked bike, so the weather protection's probably not going to be the best, but who cares? Fueling seems a bit jerky in slow gear. We're in second gear here doing 19 mile an hour, and you can feel the bike sort of surging a little bit, like it wants to, it just wants to go. It doesn't want to be doing 20 mile an hour, and neither do I. This thing is an animal. Well, I can only imagine what the Super Duke's like. The seat is very wide and hard, but it's quite comfortable, or at least it is for this short distance I've been on it. I think I could spend many hours on this quite happy. Just when you wind, this isn't the best, but that's just not been tightened properly. Can't see anything out of that. Can't see anything out of that mirror actually. I think if it was getting one of these, I'd be having the bar end mirrors on it. Looks cleaner as well, don't we? There would be absolutely no problems filtering on this with how small it is. That clutch is extremely light, very nice. Nice clutch, yeah. No problems in traffic with that, pulling that in and out. Let's have a go at filtering here. Yeah, of course it is. And that sound, oh, I love it. I thought I was a triple fanboy, but this is a nice sounding bike. I just wish these roads weren't as wet and slippery as they are. Oh, that's better there now. Second gear doing 28, 29. There's no surging anymore. Let's have a go in third. 25, yeah, it's fine. It's back off to 20. I know he's not going to be happy behind me, but oh well. Go to 20. Yeah, pulls away. This is an animal. Oh, I love it. I'm having one. I'm sold already. Just leans over around these corners. I love it. I've been on it literally, what, a mile, and I'm in love with the bike. No, KTM don't have the best reputation for reliability, but I'm pretty sure they're coming on. Can't be that bad. There's enough owners out there that say that they are reliable, so, and at the price of this, only, what is it, just under 7,000. It's an absolute pocket rocket for 7 grand. Comparing that to that 20 grand 1300 GS, you could have 3 of these for the price. I don't really want to be testing the brakes too much in this slippery conditions, but they are yeah, they're good enough. They'll stop you when they're needed. It has got a bit of a bad fueling, definitely in second at low speed. It doesn't like it. It's a bike that just wants to it just wants to kill you. Oh, I can see me having to get this. Who needs an adventure bike? In fact, you could get this and a CRF, and then you've got best of both worlds then. You've got your off-road fun on the CRF and this for the road days. I should have been testing this in the middle of summer, not now though. All this shite all over the road. Got to say thank you to KTM at Wigan for lending me the bike. Nice lad in there, Carlo, looking after me. Just told me to take a bit longer if I need to. Thank you very much, I'll take you up on that offer. Nice set of bikes in there, both new and used. Just give it a twist and we're gone. There is no hesitating in this bike. Brilliant, I love it. I went out on the Kawasaki, the demo day that they do, and they'd get on the Z900. It reminds me of that a little bit. I couldn't get a video on there, they stopped you filming for some reason. It does, it just goes wherever you want it to go. I can't even play on this road properly while they're so wet and slippy. The wind is just, it's clean air, it's no buffeting coming off a windscreen or anything. I think I prefer this over an adventure bike with the amount of problems you get coming off the fairings and the windshields and having mess about with them. This is just, you're in the wind or you're not, do what you want. Well, you're not in the wind, you are in the wind. Indicators, switch gears all nicely laid out. Nice and easy to do everything on. Proper clicking buttons. Horns. A little bit crap. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, you would not get bored of that power and that noise. This, I'm in love. Oh, I will get myself into trouble on this, definitely. So I'll find somewhere to pull up, we'll do a walk around the bike. Not that there's much point because everybody knows what the 790 looks like. I am late to the party on this one, but better late than never, eh? We'll go and have a walk round it. And we'll go on the motorway and get on some more test roads. The only thing that does bug me is having the quick shifter already installed on the bike and just having to have to pay to have to turn it on. It's just cheeky, that. But I don't care because I'm getting it and I'm paying for the quick shifter as well. Oh, look at that. This thing is a screamer. I love it. Oh, 30. Come on. It's fantastic. It really is. It's just stuck to the floor, very stable and planted round corners, flickable. It's just, it is, even in the wet here now. I wouldn't want to be on any other bike at this moment in time. It really is that good. Oh, I love it. This is my next bike, 100%. For the price of this bike and the fun you can have on this, I'm having it. I've not been through all the settings and everything, I'm not even bothering, I don't care. We don't need to, but it is all quite laid out nicely, intuitive. You can flick through the dash, nice clear TFT on it, everything you need, fuel, revs, speed, don't need anything else. Listen to that. Right, let's get on this motor. Oh, we're going into the sun as well. Oh, please. Oh, be good, Scott. Obviously it's windy on a motorway, but it is very clean air. It's just like being on a fast pedal bike. There is none of that turbulent crap you get off the windscreens on the bigger adventure bikes. They're just, I'd rather sit in this than I would be on an adventure bike actually. Yeah, it might be windy, but it's comfortable. Getting no vibrations on the helmet or anything. The only reason I went for the F700 GS to start with was because I thought I wanted all that weather protection, but you really don't need it. 70 mile an hour sat here doing this, it's fine. I could sit here all day in this wind. No, definitely changed my opinion of adventure bikes this bike has. In fact, I forgot to put my earplugs in again, and this noise coming off this bike today is less than it was on the 1300 GS that I did. I have more noise on that bike. I can actually hear what's happening now, and I couldn't when I was on that GS. That shows the difference between a naked bike and having fairings that do nothing for you. Yeah, I'm definitely impressed with the wind situation. Like I said, it put me off buying a naked bike just because I thought I needed the extra fairings to protect me from it, but this is that clean air. I'd rather not have them. Clutch is very smooth setting off, I like it. I think I just like everything about this bike. I like its looks, headlight, I just like it. Right, let's find somewhere around here where we can pull over without being in someone's way. Oops, suspension's a bit harsh, but I suppose you can forgive it for that, the way it handles. Yes, you can. I love it. Oh, it's perfect just for scooting through little gaps like that. With the shit up floor there then. And every gear is fantastic. I love it. Pub car park, that'll do us. In the shade. Oh, oh, neutral don't want to be found. Fuck's sake. There we go. Well, that's a ball ache. And where we found the stand. Yeah, not too bad. I love it. I really do. Just look at that. I mean, the orange, I prefer the grey one, but I think that looks fantastic. It's just mean and ugly. I like that light. Everything about it I like, apart from them mirrors. I just need them bar end mirrors on and then it's perfect. Just have a listen to that. Oh yes. Maybe a tail sidey on it, but I'm not too bothered about that because I'd probably end up putting a top box on. But yeah, I think that's the next bike. Pillion seat looks comfy enough, padded enough. for when she wants to come out for a play, which is what we're going to do right now, because there's no point looking at it when it rides this good. Not into all these leaves though. Be gutted if I dropped it. Yeah, so filtering is going to be obviously be no problem on this. It's that small. Straight through down the middle of everything and away you go. Even just make a little turn like that without slamming brakes on and away you've gone. We have not done one thing, and that is seeing if we can push the bike round in a car park easily. It's the only thing we've not done on this review, so we will go and give it a go while we're next to a car park. Right, I'll put it in a space and we'll see how tight that turning circle is. Into the middle of one and back out again. If we can find neutral, that is. Nope. Oh, there we go. Right. Could do with some grab handles on the side, but we'll come out, go round. Turning circle is, ooh, just over a full space. Oh, just under a full space, should I say. From that one to that one. And off we go again. I think that about sums up the review then. This bike is brilliant. For the price of this bike, you cannot complain. It is really that good. It's fantastic. Everything about it, the way it goes, the way it handles, the way it feels. There's no wind blast on a motorway. The seat's comfortable, the legs are in a comfortable and sporty position. You're not too leant over, no weight on your wrists. You could sit on it all day and you will never ever get bored of the way that thing feels when you twist the throttle. And the sound it makes, it's my next bike. Simple. I love it. I would love to wear one with a proper acro cad on and see how much better it sounds, because that sounds naughty. Oh, there you go, brakes work perfectly. Tit. I don't even want to take it back. I weren't bothered about dropping the GS off, but this, I'd rather leave my car there. So, if you enjoyed that review, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again on the next one. Peace out!